Have you ever wanted to write a text message to your crush, but you just don't know how?
Are you a writer, songwriter, actor, dancer, comedian, or are you still trying to figure out what kind of artist you want to be?
Do you love reading books or want to be the author of your own story? Or how about you're trying to write some fan fiction?
Our tools will help you create your own portfolio for fun and potentially create your own future superstar projects.
We want to help guide you to be the best, most authentic, empowered self.
In our summer class, you'll be inspired around nature, doing some morning yoga,
Followed by some techniques on how to love all of your feelings, good and not so good. Followed by some tips on how to write as yourself, speak as yourself, and perform as yourself.
And we will also help you, guide you on how to create your own projects independently.
And co-create with your friends.
Join School of Poetry Berlin on the 25th of August at
Gleisdreieck Park for a fun-filled day of creativity.
See you there!